Hi, welcome to Southbridge. Today, I will show you how to use IP Subnet Calculator program for Windows. The installer is available in sourceforge.net website. I will put the link in the description below. So, I have already installed IP Subnet Calculator. Let's run the program. If you can't find it, just search in the Start menu and type IP Subnet Calculator. Here it is. Try to type an IP address. I will enter a very typical IP address, 192.168.1.0. You can enter what you like. After entering the IP address, choose the subnet mask you want. I will choose the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. So let us click the Start button. The IP Subnet Calculator will compute available subnets, number of client address and broadcast address. I will change the subnet mask and click the Start button again. The calculator will display different results. As you can see, this is the number of subnets, and this is the number of client addresses. You can experiment and modify the subnet mask or the IP address, and the program will calculate subnets and addresses accurately. I notice that there are some missing features in this program. There is no CIDR option. It is a method for allocating IP addresses and IP routing. It is very important in computing subnets and IP address. There is also no explanations in the results or whatsoever. It may be helpful if you can view description of the results. So that's how you use the IP Subnet Calculator program for Windows. It is useful if you are already well versed in computing IP addresses and subnetting, but it is not recommended for beginners and students that are just starting to learn on how to compute IP addresses and subnet masks. That's it for today, guys. Bye.